Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2005 Yamaha Roadstar Silverado with just a little over 66,600 miles on it. So this bike's got a few miles on it, but it is in excellent condition. Doesn't show any tip over or lay down damage. Got a very few nicks and scuffs on it. So they've done a very good job of keeping this bike clean. Plus they've done some nice accessorizing to it. So, excuse me. Let's take our walk around it and then we will fire this bad boy up. You know, I mean, we've got a couple of little minor scuffs here in the windscreen. You know, the fender's in great shape. Same with the tires. It comes with signal covers. It also has air deflectors for the windscreen. Highway bars with foot pegs. Aftermarket pedals. Footboards for the driver, aftermarket air cleaner, aftermarket pegs for the passenger, extended saddlebags, I guess you could call them. They're nice and long. Let's see, who are they made by? Saddlemen. This bike also comes with a driver and passenger Mustang seat, passenger backrest and luggage rack combo. This bike also has drag pipes on it. And again, you can see the lens covers. Back tires in great shape. Again, Mustang seat. So, some little tiny scuffing here on the tank, and so again, footboards for the driver, aftermarket pedals and pegs, along with highway bars and highway pegs. So, I mean, really, this bike is ready to roll. And this is also a quick release windscreen. 66,688 is what's on it. So this Roadstar 1700 will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.